G'day, this is ADV Rider. Today I just wanted to show you my Ammo Box Panniers that I made up. These are ex-military fat 50 25mm ammo boxes. I think I got that right. Yeah, they're not bad. I really like the look of them. That was probably the main reason I went for them. I just wanted something that looks a bit different. I like things that are made rather than just bought straight out of a catalogue. I know it's been done before, but I wanted to have a go at it myself. Yeah, I don't know how practical they are. They're a bit heavy. They weigh 5-6 kilos each, and they've got about a 15 litre capacity. So they're pretty heavy for the amount they can carry. I took it out for a test ride last week. I was going to do a nice easy ride, and as usual I ended up in the mud and jumping over trees and ducking under trees, and I could definitely feel the weight, especially when it was a bit muddy. Back end was a bit squirrely, but they went pretty good. They're waterproof. I ended up riding in some fairly heavy rain. I didn't have a lot in them, but everything stayed dry. So they're good in that respect. Nice and easy to pop the lid and get your stuff out. I can take them on and off the bike really easy, so they're good like that. Yeah, they're just a bit heavy, not a lot of storage. So size wise, we're looking at, what's that, 13 inches, 330mm, 14 inches high, that's 35 centimeters. And they're about 5.5 inches wide, 140mm roughly. So yeah, I didn't want anything too wide. I try and keep the bike narrow. And they're not a bad size. A lot of them are really small. They're like only this high. So these are quite a good size. You can get ones that are really long. Yeah, drawbacks are a bit heavy, and this corner here is pretty dangerous. If I come off and get my leg caught under that, that's going to hurt. So I'll show you what I did to them to make them fit the bike. Pop the lid. And if we have a look in there, and I've got a hand nut on the inside there. I'll take it off. My idea is just to have one hand nut so I can get it undone nice and easy, but I was a bit worried about that coming undone, so I ended up putting a line lock nut on it when I took it for a ride. Let me get back over this side. So I just bent up these hooks out of aluminium, bolted them on. And then yeah, I've just got a bolt through there. A nice big rubber grommet. There was one of these ridges on the other side. I cut that off. You can see all the marks there. I've just put a bit of spray paint over it. Good things with these ex-military boxes, they're all very rough, so you don't have to get too worried about your paint job. So they just hook on there like that. So they just hook onto my frame. Bolt goes through the hole. Easy as that. This has a nice big rubber seal. And I have a nice sticker on there for Moto Ramblings. If you want to see your sticker on here with Moto Ramblings, please send it to the address that's in the description below. And if you want me to send one back, please send a return address. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.